雨傘舉辦嘅壁畫揭幕禮，我係 DC 雨傘嘅 Cleo，亦都會係今日嘅揭幕禮大會司儀。Hello everyone, we're truly delighted to see so many of you here. I'm Cleo from Leeds Umbrella CIC, and I'll be your MC for today's unveiling ceremony. 今日呢個日子係非常之特別，因為呢一幅唔單止係烈士，甚至係成個約克郡第一幅以香港為主題嘅公眾地方大型壁畫，正式揭幕同大家見面嘅日子。我身後嘅呢一幅壁畫呢，除咗令到我哋生活嘅烈士同我哋熟悉嘅香港多咗幾分聯繫之外，亦都希望藉住佢，大家可以解一解對香港嘅思念。Today's a very special day because this mural isn't just any mural for Leeds. It's actually the very first large-scale public mural in all of Yorkshire with the first Hong Kong theme. And today, it's finally being unveiled for everyone to see. The mural behind me doesn't just create a stronger connection between our everyday life in Leeds and Hong Kong we once loved, it also helps us to express and share our fond memories and longing for Hong Kong. 喺呢度生活嘅時候，大家可能行過一條街，聞過一陣味，聽到一種聲音，甚至乎只係見到一個郵筒，都會令到你諗翻起曾經熟悉居住嘅香港。而家嘅香港真係可能有一種物是人非嘅感覺啦。人走茶涼，街頭靜咗，鋪頭執咗，政府衰咗。但係呢一幅畫就係將最繁榮、最自由、最有希望、最有歸屬感嘅香港定格喺呢一埲牆上面，留低嗰一份記憶同埋溫存。望住呢一幅畫，配合 Kirkgate Market 嘅熱鬧聲，真係有種時光倒流，回到過去嘅感覺。When we live here, sometimes just walking down the street, smelling a familiar scent, hearing a certain sound, or even just seeing a mailbox can suddenly bring back old memories from Hong Kong. Hong Kong certainly changed from what we have remembered. People are leaving, streets are emptying, the government is joking. But this mural is to capture the Hong Kong we hold in our heart. The Hong Kong that was once free, once prosperous, once hopeful, and once full of sense of belongings. It throws in a warmth and memory on the wall for all of us to see. Looking at this mural alongside the lively sound of Kirkgate Market, it really feels like we're travelling back in time. Without any further ado, please join me to welcome today's guest for the unveiling. 講咗咁耐，事不宜遲，我哋即刻有請今日嘅揭幕嘉賓 Mark Sewells MP for Leeds South West Norfolk, Councillor Kate Hay, Councillor for Farnley and Wortley, Councillor Adrian McCloskey for Farnley and Wortley, Councillor Charlotte Hill for Morley South, Councillor Ed Carlyle for Haslett and Riverside. Thank you. So the first feature to be unveiled by Mark is also the most familiar sight in Hong Kong, the neon light. So the neon light, a chemical element originally discovered by a British scientist, came to symbolize the city's vibrant nightlife and the prosperity of its economic age. This glowing sign has become deeply etched to the collective memories of Hong Kong people. 跟住見到嘅就係最具代表性嘅霓虹燈。霓虹呢一種元素咧，最初係由英國嘅一位科學家所發現嘅。呢啲五光十色嘅霓虹招牌，曾經代表住香港經濟最輝煌嘅年代，心目中抹唔走嘅記憶。The next feature to be mailbox. Mailbox in Hong Kong were rare, just like those we've seen across the United Kingdom today. This image symbolizes our shared history and long-standing ties between the UK and Hong Kong. 跟住大家所見到嘅就係一個紅色嘅郵筒。其實香港早年變做綠色之前，所有嘅郵筒都係紅色嘅，正如我哋今日喺英國見到嘅一樣。呢一個圖像象徵住英國同香港之間悠久嘅歷史關係，亦都提醒住我哋兩地之間嘅聯繫由來已久。And next we have Councillor Charlotte Hill to be unveiling Lady.
咁而家咧就由啲鹽去揭開一幅幅嘅揭幕啦。
The landlady is a playful nod to one of the
好有
most
新意
iconic
喎！
character in
咁
Hong
樣
Kong
係一個
cinema,
揭幕
with
儀
her
式。
rollers, slippers, and fierce attitude, she captured the humor, the resilience, and boldness that so many Hong Kongers recognize in themselves. She reminded us that the strength can come with wit, and even in chaos, there's always room for laughter. 呢一幕就係我哋熟悉嘅包租婆，呢、個角色可以話係香港電影入邊最經典嘅人物之一，正正就係代表住香港人嘅幽默、堅強同膽識。頭上有捲髮，腳着住拖鞋，講嘢夠晒排比，提醒住我哋，就算身處亂世，都可以用笑聲嚟面對生活。And here we have Mr. Lai, unveiled by Councillor Adrian McCluskey.
咁而家咧就去揭一個第4個啦，第3個1、2、3係乜嘢嚟咧？哦
Mr. Lai is a powerful reminder that no matter how important our daily work may be, there are always greater values and principles worth standing up for. 呢一幕就係訴求只有翻工嘅梁生，佢提醒住我哋，無論日常工作有幾重要，人生入邊始終都有更加重要嘅價值，值得我哋去堅持、去爭取同埋信念。And here we will have Bruce Lee's famous word, "Be water, my friend," unveiled by Councillor Ed Carlyle.
好啦，另外一個揭幕嘅儀式就係呢個係乜嘢嚟咧？哦 ，Be water。
This tale has been transcended generations, reminding us to save the best.
好嘢。
And strong, even when facing challenges, just like water. Hong Kongers have learned how to flow around obstacles, find strength and flexibility, and to keep moving forward no matter the shape of the container we are placed in. 呢一幕就係李小龍嘅名句 Be water, my friend。呢句説話跨越咗幾代人，提醒住我哋要保持靈活、冷靜、堅強，就好似水咁。香港人都要學識喺困難入邊變通，喺柔軟入邊揾到力量，無論環境點樣變，都要繼續向前。And here is the next iconic Master Softy ice cream, unveiled by Mark. This is a taste that instantly brings back childhood memories from the Hong Kongers, including myself, of course. The familiar melody of the fans echoing through the streets was more than just a call for ice cream. It was a reminder of simple happiness in busy city life. To this day, that tune continues to connect generations, carrying with it the sweetness and the nostalgia of Hong Kong's collective memories. 呢一幕就係大家熟悉嘅富豪雪糕車，對好多香港人嚟講，聽到呢一段音樂就會勾起無數嘅童年回憶。呢一架雪糕車唔係淨係買雪糕咁簡單，仲代表住繁忙生活入邊嗰種純粹嘅快樂。直到今日，呢段旋律仍然會響起，承載住一代又一代香港人甜蜜而懷舊嘅集體。And we're here now, the herbal tea stall unveiled by Casey.
第6個揭幕係乜嘢呢？哦，涼茶喎。
These stalls have offered not only herbal tea, but also comfort and care within the community. The aroma of herbal tea reminds us of our roots, our neighbours, and the warmth of human connection that has long been part of Hong Kong life. 呢一幕就係香港街頭好有代表性嘅涼茶檔。幾十年嚟，呢個小小嘅檔口唔係淨係賣涼茶，仲盛載住人情味同埋關懷。嗰陣涼茶嘅香味，令到我哋諗起自己嘅根，想起街坊之間嘅情懷，亦都代表住香港人之間真摯嘅聯繫。And here we have the classic green exercise book, unveiled by Charlotte Hill. A simple yet powerful symbol of our school days in Hong Kong. Its plain cover held by not just homework notes, but also dreams, doodles, and the beginning of who we would become. The green exercise book reminded us of curiosity, perseverance, and the shared journey of learning that shaped so many of us growing up in Hong Kong. 呢一幕就係大家都會熟悉嘅綠色簿仔。呢本簿仔雖然外表簡單，但係入邊盛載住我哋嘅功課、筆記、夢想同埋成長嘅經歷。跟住我哋學習嘅過程唔係淨係知識。 仲有堅持、追求一齊成長嘅記憶，係好多香港人成長路上不可或缺嘅一部分。And we have the Hong Kong style milk tea, unfiltered by Echo. It's rich and full of character, just like the city itself. Blended East and West, it represents the harmony between cultures and the creativity formed from every day. For many Hong Kongers, a cup of milk tea is more than just a drink. It's a daily
港式奶
comfort,
茶。
a taste of home, and a symbol of resilience that keeps us going no
咁
matter
你啱
where we
啱
are.
揭開嗰個
呢
咧就係
一幕就係
港式話
香港人
奶茶嚟嘅。
香滑純滑，
咁你呢個
就好似
壁畫咧
香港人
而家咁就完整啦，全
融合咗
部
中西文化
揭開晒。
喺日常生活入邊展現創意同埋包容。對於好多香港人嚟講，一杯奶茶唔止係飲品，仲係屋企嘅味道，亦都代表住無論身處何方都繼續向前堅持嘅力量。Thank you for unfolding the mirror for us. Now I would like to invite Cindy, artist for our mural, founder of Choo Choo Cat, to make a few words regarding the mural itself.
Hello everyone, this is Cindy from Choo Choo Cat. It's an honor for me to be part of this mural project. First, I would like to thank Liz Umbrella CNC for having me and giving me a chance to create a mural about Hong
咁
Kong
而家咧就話
in
Cindy 咧就係
such an iconic place, Turgate Market.
講一講呢個
This
呢
mural,
幅
which is
畫
full of
嘅
Hong Kong element and memories, in
情況啦。
a way it is
你
belongs
哋
to
創
all
作
Hong
啦。
Kongers. I believe the reason behind is the sincerity and the power of our community. I still remember about 2 years ago when Liz Umbrella CIC organized the very first Lunar New Year market here. It was really successful. The second year it grew even bigger, step by step. Thank you Council for the trust, so we can bring our unique Hong Kong culture and the core value to all these people here. The last thing I want to say, hope you can find something that connected with you from the mural. Thank you.
唔該晒先。而家有請我哋嘅一啲嘉賓為我哋進行致辭。首先會係 Mark Seward MP。Mark Seward 係 Lead South West and Morley 嘅 MP，佢亦都係英國國會香港事務跨黨派小組 HKAPBG 嘅成員，一直積極為在英港人發聲，關注我哋喺英國生活嘅權益同埋福祉。佢亦都多次就港人面對跨境鎮壓問題公開表態，堅定支持言論自由同埋人權保障。Mark Seward 亦不斷喺國會內為香港人爭取發言空間，確保所有在英港人嘅聲音可以被準確地帶入國會。佢亦都曾經多次就5+1延伸至10+1發表反對意見，推動政府進一步完善政策，令更多香港人嘅權益得到保障。而家有請我哋嘅 Mark Seward MP，over to you, Mark.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that reception. Yes, my name is Mark Seward. I'm the Member of Parliament for Leeds South West and Morley. And it is an honour to represent one of the largest communities of Hong Kongers in all of Leeds, in my constituency, South West and Morley. I was really pleased to be given the invite by Cleon to speak here today at the opening of this mural, because I know so much work has been put into it. I do want to say a very special well done to Cindy and to absolutely everyone who volunteered time this mural. Yeah, we'll give it a go. It is very important, and I was speaking to Chloe about this earlier, very important that we managed to maintain our links with our heritage and our links with the past. Chloe was telling me that she's never quite seen buildings like this in Hong Kong, that she never grew up with them. But it's important to have this as a prompt, as a memory, as something that we can come back to, so that we can truly remember our heritage, and so it can never be stamped out by oppressive regimes. Now, I did promise Cleon wouldn't get too political in the speech today, but it is definitely worth saying a couple of things. And the first is that, as your MP for Leeds South West and Morley, have a friend in me when it comes to... Oh, thank you. much, I hope. Yeah, I'll start that bit. When it comes to transnational repression, when it comes to the long arm of the CCP, when it comes to the people who want you to forget about all of this, who want to erase Hong Kong's history, Hong Kong's heritage, I do want you to know that you will always have a friend in me. It's so important to me that Hong Kongers here are represented and that Hong Kongers here can celebrate their heritage because of the contribution that you have all made since you were invited here by the previous government, one of the best things that they ever did. And I don't compliment the previous government often. But it's so important that we honour the promise that they made and that by inviting you to live your lives here, build your lives here, bring your skills here, that we keep the 5-year path, the ILR, in place. And I will be holding the government's feet to the fire to ensure that ministers, when they say you have a unique situation, that they stand by those words and keep that promise. But today is not about the politics. Today is about the mural. And I do want to say a very special thank you to Cleon himself for emceeing so expertly today. To say, if I had been as capable of the things that Cleon is capable of at 17 years old, then I'd be stood in front of you as Prime Minister right now, not just as MP. You have a very bright future, Cleon, and we are so pleased you've chosen to spend your time and spend your future in Leeds. So all that's left to say is a huge thank you from me, a huge thank you from the councillors who I know celebrate the contribution and the value that Hong Kongers bring to our great city. And we hope that you continue to build your lives here and build your legacy here, shoulder to shoulder with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mark. And the next up will be Councillor Kate Hay. 佢除咗係 Farnley and Wortley 嘅區議員之外咧，佢同時亦都係前告士打嘅市長。唔知大家有冇覺得呢一個地方面非常之熟悉咧？冇錯，香港正就係有一條好出名嘅告士打道，就係 Gloucester 嚟命名嘅。就好似我身後嘅壁畫咁，原來我哋身處嘅英國同曾經嘅香港真係有住千絲萬縷嘅關係。而家有請佢哋去出嚟睇佢哋。
So good afternoon everyone. It is a real honour to be here today with a mural which brings a piece of Hong Kong to Leeds and back. This artwork is more than just paint on a wall. It's a symbol of belonging in the rich cultural tapestry that makes our city so special. It reflects the journeys and the stories and the resilience of our workers who made these their home. It's very appropriate to have it here in the Highgate Market, where our city's diversity is represented by food, fashion and culture from around the world. I'd like to thank the Brand CIC for their incredible
呢度好多人出席呢個開幕式。咁咧，我哋因為呢條片咧都嚟到呢度成10幾分鐘咧，我可能未必全部影晒咁多位議員發言啦。咁啊，可能會或者節錄一下啦。咁就頭先嗰個主要嗰個我都係影晒佢所講嘅發言啦。咁一陣呢啲咧可能會如果唔 cut 咧就可能會好長，咁我睇睇個效果先。
To our Hong Kong neighbours, you are welcome here. You are part of our city's story, and we are so glad you are here. What makes us different makes us Leeds. Let this mural stand as a lasting reminder of our friendship, solidarity, and the power of art to bring people together. And thank you.
Kate。而家就係進入我哋揭幕典禮嘅第2個環節，大家不妨望一望我身後，冇錯，我哋就係將畫入邊嘅茶餐廳延伸咗出嚟。我哋亦都有唔同主題嘅道具俾大家同幅壁畫一齊留影作紀念。小朋友都唔使擔心，我哋嗰邊係有我哋嘅填色遊戲，係有獎品嘅。當然大家都可以玩啦。除此之外咧，我哋大家都知道，大家一定會對 Cindy 嘅作品有興趣，所以喺個咁開心嘅日子，我哋特登邀請咗佢帶埋佢嘅作品嚟，希望大家多多支持。Now we are moving on to the second part of the unloading. Take a look behind me. Today's setup is inspired by the cafe in Hong Kong, also known as Cha Chan Tang, in the river itself. We have extended our world out here for you to enjoy. And once again, thank you all for joining us today. Looking forward to seeing you all again shortly. 再一次多謝咁多位嘅嚟臨，等我哋一齊記住香港人嚟到英國之後所譜寫嘅故事。每一次經過呢度，都會記得嚟到英國，我哋香港人有我哋自己嘅香港文化。再一次多謝大家一直到場支持謝嘅作業。大家我哋呢一個呢度咧，呢一本 exercise book 前面嘅圖，個圖陰影前面咧係一本細。
呢度咧有啲填色嘅。
今日嘅先好啦，大家都可以寫低大家。
可以俾朋友嚟到玩下啲填色嘅遊戲啦。咁好似話有獎品嘅喎，啲獎品就係好豐富嘅，就係呢啲嚟啦。冇錯啦，咁你快啲嚟參加啦！耶，hello！ 係夠唔夠坐？你哋咁多位？OK。上次我見過下你哋㗎啦。喺元宵嘅時候係咪啊？OK， 繼續唔阻你哋啦嚇！哇，填好啲啊，有獎品啊！OK。呢七姊妹嚟喎，哇！七姊妹我好出名嘅喎，七姊妹。咁咧呢條片咧嚟到呢度咧20幾分鐘㗎啦，咁咧都係可以一個圓滿結束啦，我相信。咁而家咧就各個咧就進行緊呢個開餐又好，或者咧就係食緊呢個玩緊填色遊戲又好，購物又好。咁咧原來呢啲頭先唔係道具嚟嘅喎，原來真嘢嚟嘅喎。呢度亦都好多朋友喺度購物啦，買翻啲紀念品啦。我一陣要買翻啲啊，做完嘢就要買翻啲紀念品啦。OK， 咁咧今日呢條片咧就係影我哋香港人呢個壁畫咧，咁啊喺呢度咧已經係好圓滿咁樣咧就係完成咗啦。咁咧喺呢度咧好多謝各位睇到呢度啊！咁下次咧，如果有啲乜嘢新嘅其他活動咧，我都會係盡量去報導一啲花絮。咁因為主要咧係會主打咧係有其他啲去影㗎啦。咁我哋影下啲花絮俾大家。列斯嘅朋友或者其他朋友、網上嘅朋友都好，係希望佢哋能夠多啲支持咧，我哋香港人。喺英國大家嘅一種團結，慢慢有一啲成果出到嚟啦。咁大家繼續努力，加油！下次再見，拜拜。